In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to connect Stripe to a Hostinger website so you can start accepting payments online. If you're selling products, digital downloads, services, or anything else through your Hostinger website builder, Stripe is one of the easiest and most reliable ways to collect payments from customers all around the world. The best part is that the setup only takes a few minutes once you know where everything is located. I'll walk you through the entire process step by step so you can follow along, even if you've never done this before. By the end of this tutorial, your Hostinger website will be connected to Stripe and ready to accept secure online payments. And if you find this tutorial helpful at any point, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple website and software tutorials just like this. Now, let's jump straight into the setup. The first thing you need to do is log into your Hostinger account. Once you're inside your Hostinger dashboard, look for the section called Websites. This area shows all of the websites connected to your Hostinger account. Find the website where you want to accept payments and then click on Dashboard next to that site. This will open the management panel for that specific website. From here, you'll have access to the website settings, hosting tools, and the website builder editor. What we want to do next is open the website builder so we can access the store and payment settings. Inside the website dashboard, look for the option that says Edit Website. Click on Edit Website to launch the Hostinger website builder editor. After the editor loads, you'll see the visual interface where you can customize pages, elements, and manage your online store features. On the left side of the editor, you should see the store or e-commerce options depending on your layout. Click on the store or e-commerce section to open your online store settings. This is where Hostinger allows you to manage products, orders, shipping options, and most importantly, payment methods. Once you're inside the store settings, look for the option labeled Payments. Click on Payments, and this will open the list of available payment providers that you can connect to your Hostinger website. Hostinger supports several payment gateways, but for this tutorial, we're focusing on Stripe because it's fast, secure, and widely supported for online businesses. In the payment providers list, find Stripe and select it as your payment method. When you click Stripe, Hostinger will ask you to connect your Stripe account using API keys. Now we need to grab those Stripe API keys from your Stripe dashboard. Open a new browser tab and go to stripe.com, then log into your Stripe account. Once you're inside the Stripe dashboard, navigate to the Developer section and then open API keys. Here you'll see two important keys called the publishable key and the secret key. These keys allow your Hostinger website to securely communicate with Stripe to process payments. Copy the publishable key first and paste it into the publishable key field inside the Hostinger payment settings. Then copy the secret key from Stripe and paste it into the secret key field in Hostinger as well. After entering both API keys, save the payment settings inside Hostinger. Once saved, your website is now connected to Stripe and ready to process payments from customers. You can now accept credit cards, debit cards, and other Stripe-supported payment methods directly on your Hostinger website. It's always a good idea to run a quick test purchase to make sure everything is working correctly before sending customers to your site. And that's it. That's exactly how to connect Stripe to a Hostinger website and start accepting payments online. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple tutorials that help you build and grow your website faster. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.